Hello everyone and welcome to Cyrus. In this video, we learn how to modify an order in Cyrus. Let's say I click on buy, place a limit order. So I'll set a limit price here and then click on buy. Now if I go to the orders tab, you can see my limit order has been placed. Suppose I want to modify this limit order. Select all and simply click on modify. Change the price or quantity and then update it. Once I confirm, my limit order will be successfully modified. Similarly, you can also execute or cancel orders from here. Now let's move on to the positions tab. Here you can see the orders across all your broker accounts. For example, if I want to place an SL order, I'll switch from default view to position view. Select stock and then click on SL. You'll notice there's a percentage option here. This is useful if you hold different quantities across multiple accounts and you can still place an SL. In my case, I'll define 100%. Next, I'll set price. For example, if the current market price is approximately 2.05, I can set a sell price of 1.90 with trigger price of 1.95. Then I'll add this as stop loss order. If I go back to the orders tab, you can see the SL has been added successfully, and just like before, you can modify the trigger price, quantity or cancel it whenever needed. Now let's come back to the positions tab. Suppose I want to add more quantity. Currently, both my accounts have the same quantity defined. If I want to double the position, I can simply select the percentage option and my trades will be added account wise automatically. In the same way, you can also use quantity options to reduce quantity to lower your position size. For example, if I click on reduce quantity and define a price, the order will go as a limit order. If no price is defined, it will be executed at market price. There is also a market square off option available. So if you want to close a position, I can just click square off and it will instantly exit my position across all my accounts. This feature is also available in the holdings tab. Just switch from grouping view to account view and you will be able to modify, add, reduce any stock from your holdings in the same way. You can also convert your positions from intraday to carry forward by simply clicking here. And that's it for this video. We'll see you again in the next one. Thanks for watching.